Alright guys, so this thing right here, you guys are gonna scream at me in the comments if like the comments are even allowed. But I think I'm going to buy the Evelyn's I was kidding. The Demogorgon costume. I mean, this might go off sale, so like, I mean, I'll still have 1,000 Robux left, so it's not like I didn't get scammed, but I think I'm gonna buy it. Well, like, I think I'll just actually go check first. Let's play a mini game and see how much we get from it. Or like quests or something, because we have daily challenges. I just want to make sure I can't get this easily, so I'm not wasting my Robux. Play all 4 mini games in the mall. Oh, I'm already doing that to get 100. Oh, okay. So I have to play one more like of the 4 mini games, but like, which one is it? Let me go check. Oh, can I talk to this person? No. What? Starport. Okay. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I did most of these. I don't know which one I haven't done. I think. Wait. Which one do I have to do? Oh, Lucas. Oh, Lucas is up there. Oh, Lucas. Okay. You have to just run up here. Let's go. Oh, gosh, I almost fell off. Oh, what the heck is this? Oh, I'm Lucas, the ranger in the party. I was thinking we could... Oh, okay. How about around... Okay, I'm going to try. Oh, wait. Oh. I don't know what I do here. Oh, play. E. Would you like to play? Yes, I do. Wait, hit the target. Look and hold the right mouse. Enter. Okay. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go! Wait, what do I have to hit? Oh. Pew! Hey! Oh, nice. Pew! Well, it's like the Nerf event. How to get like the Nerf Valkyrie, like the dark glasses. Like, I feel like it looks like a Valkyrie. No! Do I have to hit all of these? Oh my god, the Demogorgon. No! Dang it! Oh, okay, I hit that. Oh, minus 1,000. Wait, minus 1,000. Oh gosh. Wait! Oh my gosh, they go down way too quickly. Or it's just my reflexes aren't really that fast. Oh gosh, I just hit him somewhere where I probably shouldn't be hitting them. Dude, shoot you down! Yeah! And we're gonna give you up. Then we're gonna shoot you down. Wait, end? Wait, when are we ending it? Oh my gosh, this is gonna take so long. Headshot. Minus 1,000. What am I getting minus 1,000s for? Oh, my score is in the negatives. That's how good I am. I just noticed how good my score is. I'm literally just in the negatives. Wow, I'm just that good. Oh my god. Oh, bonus target or something. Where's the bonus target? I want a bonus target. Dude, what am I even getting for? Oh, so I don't have to shoot him in the things. Oh god, okay. So for shooting him in the things. Oh wait. Oh, do I not hit those guys? Oh, so like if I hit these guys, I see. So I have to hit the Demogorgon. Wait, do I? Hopefully that's it. That would make sense. That would make sense if I don't have to hit the dude. Actually, please get out of my way. Thank you. My score is 12,000. I mean, it's not bad, but I got below like the score of like a 1, so I don't think I deserve any of those trophies over there. Alright, now I have to, wait, I think I can collect that. I did it, right? Talk to Mike. I have to talk to people? Oh my gosh, this is such a scam. I don't like talking to people. Stranger danger. I'm just being so dumb. Where the heck is Mike? Oh, I see Mike. Well, I mean, it's only 100, and even if I got 1,000 for it, it wouldn't be enough. Mike. Looks like you have complete. Do I care? I don't want. Yes! Give me the small amount of coins. That will not help me towards this achievement in any way. What else do we have for daily challenges? So we just keep playing the game for 100. Yeah, not really what I'm going for here. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna spend our Robux on the epic flamingo beak. Just kidding. Oh yeah, I was doing this for a video. Thank you. Oh, he knows about that. Oh gosh. Roblox, I'm gonna give you up. No, I'm buying it. I'm buying it. Oh no. Would you like to buy the Demogorgon costume? I clicked it. I clicked it. I did it. I feel such a fool myself. I feel like I should not have done that. Why do I feel like I shouldn't have done that? Let's see my Robux. 1,055. Yes, I bought it. Oh my gosh. I feel like so dumb. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with the purchase characters. And we're gonna buy, or I mean, we're gonna oh no. Where the heck is it? Gosh, don't tell me I got scammed. Don't tell me I got scammed, brother. Okay, wait, recent? Oh no. Demogorgon stuff, yay. We bought him. This is the stupidest purchase of my life, but I honestly don't care. I have 1,000 Robux left. Listen, I did it because I had 1,000 Robux left. Oh gosh, I look terrible. I need to like unequip my heads and stuff. Wait, what head do I equip? That's a good idea. Wait, hold on. Characters. Yeah, this looks very good. Creations. We have to go obviously to oh my god, I have to go to purchase. Are you kidding me? Purchased? Where the heck is my Demogorgon? Let me go there. Alright, nice. Now, let me go. Oh, this is gonna take so long. Recent characters. Give me the. My gosh. Recent purchased. What? Why does it not show? Like, okay, that's dumb. Okay, well, like, I guess I'll just put all the body parts on. I'm a Demogorgon. I feel like I should just watch Stranger Things now. Just because why not? Face accessories. There it is! The Demogorgon costume mask. I look so dumb. Oh wait, I have a good idea. If we go to head, we have to go to the dude. No, we could mess around with this a lot. No, it looks like he's coming out of a plant pot. That just looks so dumb. Wait. Oh my god. Hold on. I need to get the smallest head. Wait. City Life Woman. Oh, hold on. I thought there would be some smaller heads. Hold on. We're not done yet. Scale. We need head. Small as I can. That doesn't make the head smaller. Height. We're making this really tall. This isn't changing anything. Body type. What the heck is it? Your avatar isn't loading correctly? What the heck? I guess we're running a Roblox game and seeing how bad this looks. I feel like I should not have bought that. Oh, I look so dumb. I just look so dumb. Oh my god. Or oh my gosh, I should say. Let's actually join the shortcut mall. Why do I feel like I shouldn't have bought that? All my friends are going to be so mad at me now. But like, Honestly, do I care what they think? No. Oh, I'm actually in the game right now. That's funny. Let me. Oh, oops! I left the game. I meant to reset my character. All right. Well, I guess we're joining the game again, right? Please tell me I'm joining the game. Yes, I'm joining the game. Joining server. I feel like this is such a long video, but yeah, you guys better subscribe for this, okay? I'm doing this for the beauty. No, if I got the headless head, this would look so good. You don't know how good this would look. Oh, I can already tell this is gonna look bad. No, just imagine my costume is just invisible and like it's only my head. Like that would just be so bad. I just wasted my Robux. Wait, come on, load. Oh my gosh, it's gray. It's not loading. And this is what I look like. Honestly, I don't look too bad. I learned how to like change the body type for like my head and stuff, but like, wait a minute. If I do like the invisible head glitch or whatever, like that would be so cool. Well, like I just want to like be one of these things, just walking around. I just look so dumb right now. Oh my god, I can't believe that is like 1,000 Robux down the drain for this epic thing. Okay, it'd be much more worth it if this is a hat accessory because, well, first of all, why would this even be a face accessory? It's literally a hat accessory. It doesn't go on your face. I mean, honestly, you can't get any better than this. You can't get any better than this because it's literally just like, hey, what's your Halloween costume? Oh, yeah, this is my Halloween costume. I'm a Demogorgon. Don't I look so cool? Look how cool I look. Like, this is a face only a mother could love, honestly. Look. No, it's like, would you hug me? Would you please hug me? Come here. I just want a hug. Would you go up to this thing and give it a hug? I don't think so. Oh gosh, this looks a lot more creepy. Gosh, the teeth, the smile, the mall. Yeah, something like that. I'm definitely going to make like a bunch of like avatar tricks and stuff like with this, so stay tuned if you want to see stuff like that. But yeah, that was the video. Wait, hold on, I have to see what this looks like with a classic Roblox ad quickly, like very quickly. I just have to see, because that would just be very funny. I just want to make a new character quickly. Creations. 1K Robux down the drain. Yep. 1K Robux down the drain. Well, let's see what a normal Roblox head would look like on this thing. I just want to see. Okay. Oh, wait, what am I doing? Yeah, I just want to remove that. Oh, I look so good. I just look so good with that. Oh my god. Well, it looks a lot better with like this because like, this thing right here, like you see my head pokes out. But no, I'm just bald. This just looks way too good to be a thing. Okay, this just looks way too good. Alright, if you agree with that too, make sure to like the video and subscribe and turn your notifications on, because I do dumb stuff like this all the time. Because, look, look how beautiful I look, okay? Like, honestly, this is just, like, the brand new style. Hold on. Wait, what would it look like in R6? Sorry, I just have to try all these things. I just look so dumb right now. Wait, no, if I put back in R15, please say the costume is still there. Okay, good. I'm going to do robot head. We're going to... Oh, I look so bad. Okay, yeah. That was the video. I'm gonna show all my friends that I just got scammed, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.